Do you bear? Huh? Do you love your bear?
Is this a joke?
Yeah?
I made this deal happen, okay? But the whole time,
Hello, Mr. Rasmussen.
destroy something
Hello.
that should be preserved and cherished.
There you bear.
It didn't matter like this. I'm not gonna let you tear it down. Okay.
He wants to walk so much. Take a step. Go for it.
That's a good worker. You got your whole career. You got your whole
love
life.
that
No, I
bear.
don't. No, I don't. No one does. That's the point. I get to do something that matters.
Who would have thought he liked stuffed animals so much?
Look at him trying to get it down. Get it, bud.
There's the crest on the side of the building. She's got to be in there.
Come on.
Hurry it up, fellas. We all on a schedule here.
I need to speak to Evans and George. I know this is going to sound crazy, but I need to get into that building.
Hello, Mr.
10
Rasmussen.
minutes, there ain't gonna be a building.
Hello, Mr. Rasmussen.
If you ever